First, measure the thickness of glass door with a ruler. Glass door thickness is less than 12 millimeters. Need to add a gasket. Glass door thickness equal to 12 millimeters. Normal installation. The glass door is thicker than 12 millimeters and cannot be installed. We installed the demo with a glass door thickness less than 12 millimeters. Observe the direction of the glass lock, and the knob is installed indoors. Try to lock the glass lock at a suitable height. Mark the mounting height on the glass door with a marker. Due to the glass door thickness less than 12 millimeters, so we took out the gasket and stuck it on the glass lock U-shaped card slot. Then we put a glass glue in the middle of the two marking lines and install the glass lock on the glass door in time. Adjust the height and compactness, and the main lock part is installed. If your glass door is a double door, you need to install a secondary lock. Put the secondary lock on the glass door. Adjust the height to ensure that the lock can enter the secondary lock when it is popped. Next, mark the position on the glass door with a marker. Then, take out the gasket and stick it to the sub-lock U-shaped card slot. Next, we put a glass glue in the middle of the two marking lines and install the secondary lock on the glass door in time. Adjust the height and compactness, and the auxiliary lock part is installed. If your glass door lock is a single door, you need to install a card slot. First, screw the main lock bolt out. Corresponding position mark on the wall. Take out the card slot and cover the mark. Mark with a marker around the card slot. As shown, the red square is the opening position, where the hole is opened. After completing the opening, load the card slot on the wall. Note that the magnet of the card slot should be aligned with the hole on the side of the main lock. Finally, install metal gaskets, card slots, expansion tubes, and screws in sequence. Close the glass door and test whether the bolt can be smoothly inserted into the card slot. After the debugging is finished, the installation is complete. First, remove the glass lock knob cover. Press the opposite side of the glass lock bolt with your finger. The metal cover is lifted up to take out the metal cover. Load 2 fifth batteries and replace the back cover. Battery installation is complete.